Good morning, children. Chapter 2, GUI Operating System, Desktop Management. In this chapter, we'll be learning about features of Windows 7, the taskbar, customizing the taskbar, icons, customizing the desktop, customizing the Windows setup, use of shortcut menu. To manage hardware and software, we need an operating system. Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. So children, when we want to work with the computer system, we require three things: hardware, software, and an operating system. Without the operating system, the hardware and the software does not work. So we need an operating system to control all the operations of your computer. So an operating system is nothing but it is a set of programs which manages all the works of your computer and makes it run. So an operating system is a type of software that makes your computer ready to use. So whenever you on the computer, some boot instructions will be performed and it will load the operating system and makes it ready for you to use. As I told you, without an operating system, the computer cannot work. Operating system directly interacts and controls the computer hardware. It also keeps tracks of all the tasks given by the user. So it is a link between the hardware and the software. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Graphical means pictures. User means we. Interface means to communicate. So we communicate with the help of pictures with the computer. It is an interface that allows the user to interact with electronic device through graphical icons. So Windows 7 is the most popular operating system by Microsoft. It is a GUI based operating system. A GUI operating system contains graphics and icons, and it is commonly navigated by using a computer mouse. It coordinates and manages the activities of a computer. We have many versions of Windows. The first version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then, many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. The features of Windows 7 are: it is a graphical user interface operating system. It is an interface between the hardware and the user, or in other words, it is a link between the hardware and the user. It has an attractive, interactive and easy to use, searching made easier, flexible taskbar, Windows supporting multitasking, jump list, cascading windows. When your computer starts for the first time, a beautiful background appears with many things. It is easy to use and operate. You can select the task with the help of pointing device like mouse. You can also perform multiple tasks at the same time. In Windows 7, we have high quality of graphics, attractive colors and themes. Children, when your computer starts for the first time, a beautiful background appears with many things. That is the desktop. The taskbar is a thin strip that runs across the bottom of your screen. It is divided into the start button, quick launch icons, notification area, and clock. Searching made easier. Searching for files and folders or programs is done with the help of the new improved version search tool available in Windows 7, with the help of which you can find what you want very quickly and very easily. And with Windows supports multitasking, with this we can perform more than one task at a time. For example, you can type the document in MS Word while enjoying music with your Windows Media Player. The new feature of taskbar is jump list. With jump list, you can jump to the documents, pictures, songs, and website you use most oftenly by simply right-clicking a program button on the taskbar. In Windows 7, with the help of the taskbar, you can also pin favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. For this, right-click on the icon on your taskbar and select the pin option. Cascading windows. This option is displayed when you right-click the taskbar. The cascading window option arranges all the open windows from the top left corner of the screen to the bottom layers in the right side. This we can see in the video in the next clip. Now we'll understand what is cascade with the help of this video clip. Suppose many files are open at a time. For example, now I have opened 3 files. Now we'll understand what is this cascade. Right click on taskbar, click on cascade windows. Now you can see all the 3 open windows are arranged from the top left corner to the right corner. Now if you want to open any particular window, just click on that. That particular window will be opened automatically and very quickly. So with the help of cascade windows, we can arrange and quickly select the windows very easily. Let us recollect what we have learned today in this session. Windows is a GUI operating system that has graphical environment consisting of various icons and buttons. An operating system is an interface between a hardware and the user. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. The first version of Windows operating system is Windows 95. Jump List is a new feature in Windows 7. Takes you straight to the documents, pictures, songs, or website you have recently visited. Cascading windows arranges all the open windows from the left corner of the screen to the bottom right in layers.